Hey, what's up? Travis here at M Grills, and I just want to introduce the introductory line of our Big M smokers. So this is a single door, 6 foot wide. So this is a non-insulated cooker, but the doors are insulated. The baffle inside is insulated, which is right there. So baffle's insulated, firebox is insulated, but the body is 1/4 inch plate. So this is all 1/4 inch plate. You can see there. 5 racks. They're about 26 by 33, if I'm not mistaken. We have 5 racks in here. Firebox. You have a large intake, which you can put like a fan system on if you like, or run it wide open as a traditional stick burner. Firebox is fully insulated, 3/8 thick steel, insulated door. Everything's gasket sealed. This one is not painted, but it has a high gloss temp finish on it. This is really a perfect setup for catering trailer. Yeah, just a 6 feet wide, 36 inches deep. A lot of upgrades that we can do to this. So a lot of customization we could do. We could do stainless racks, fold down rack, or stacks, I'm sorry. Stainless stacks, fold down stacks. This one has legs on it. Tell-true thermometers at each rack. Stainless steel handles. A lot of options we could do. But this smoker right here starts off at 10,000. mgrills.com.